Preview.
Hi everyone and welcome to the new basic learning. And one thing I want to tell you, or I want to share with you, that by your likes and by your subscription only I get motivated so that I can make the more interesting educational videos for you, and you can get the properly understanding about your topics related to your topics. So do not forget to subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications time to time. So today, without any wasting time, let us start the learning. So the chapter which was in the continuation is seed, the structure and germination. Part is 2 for class 9. So the structure part we have already discussed. So if you have not seen the videos, the link is in the description box. You can go and check that videos. 2 videos I have made that. So now we will do the germination part. So germination is very easy. You can understand the germination part. So the first stage is about the dormant stage. Dormant means rest stage. It is for embryo. It is at the dormant stage. So dormant means at rest. But you cannot think that it is only in rest. It is taking oxygen, okay? And it is utilizing the food also, it is absorbing the water also. So dormant does not mean that it is in the rest, it is not doing anything. Do not think like that. It is in rest, but you can say that it is not at that rest, that it is not performing anything, it is not doing anything. Okay, it is the respiration is happening, oxygen it is taking and giving out carbon dioxide, then water also and food also. Okay, so in the seed also we know that the cotyledon is there so that it can take the food. Cotyledon. Okay, so it reaches the seedling part, the whole part which when the plant matures fully. So that is called the seedling. So the formation of seedling from embryo, that is called the germination. I repeat once again that the formation of seedling from embryo, that is called the germination. So this was the seedling and this is the embryo. So when the seed, it is the seed, okay? Then when it will reach the seedling, that is called the germination. And when it matures fully, it does not need cotyledon. It can make its food itself. So this was the germination. Now let's move to the next parts. So next is about the conditions. There are some conditions so that the formation can take place. Which formation? The germination formation can take place. That are the conditions we will study first. Formation will take place through some necessary condition. The conditions are necessary. Then only it will take the place for the formation of germination. So number 1 is the water. Water is very important for the formation of germination. Okay. Why it is needed? Because it will absorb when it will absorb the water, then it can utilize it and the germination can happen. So water is needed. Then next is oxygen. Why oxygen? For respiration. For respiration. Third, temperature. Temperature needs not to be very hot nor too cold. It means कि temperature इतना भी ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए कि उसका जर्मिनेशन अकरेंस ना हो पाए, मतलब अगर ज़्यादा तेज होगा टेम्परेचर, मतलब कि ज़्यादा हॉट होगा तो भी जर्मिनेशन नहीं हो पाएगा, सीड ग्रो नहीं हो पाएगा, और अगर ज़्यादा ठंडा हुआ तो भी जर्मिनेशन नहीं हो पाएगा. सो नॉट टू कोल्ड, नॉट टू हॉट. इसका टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री से 35 डिग्री तक ही रहना चाहिए. ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर कहते हैं इसे. ऑप्टिमम मतलब एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, ना ही तो ज्यादा ठंडा ना ही ज्यादा गर्म. सो टेम्परेचर हो गया. अब लास्ट आता है कि सॉइल इतना भी ज्यादा डीपली सीटेड नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो अब फोर्स ना लगा पाए ऊपर आने के लिए. ओके, इफ द सीड इज डीपली seeded, so that if the seed is deeply seeded, then also it will not take the germination formation because it cannot apply the force, and it can the water is not able to reach. Okay, so the last point is about the deep seed, about the seed only. Okay, so it does not need to be very deeply seated so that the water cannot reach there. The water will not be able to reach there, and it cannot take the respiration oxygen, you can say. And the last thing I told you, that the temperature should be very exact. It does not need to be very cold, not too hot. So the other terms related to this chapter we will do in the third part of the video. So till then, stay happy and stay tuned for the next part.